Hey everyone, that's the new video on this channel. It has been a long time since I've uploaded something on this channel, but the main reason I just had some other work to do. But as you can see now, I finally did it. I uploaded the video, and it's the second part of my trip to Croatia, and it's gonna be about one of the national parks in Croatia. So just enjoy it, and I'll tell you more information later. At this point of the video, we finally made it to the national park, and as you can see, the views there are incredibly beautiful, especially at this time of the year, when all the trees are covered in yellow, orange and red colors. And as I'm gonna go inside the national park, I'm gonna try to give you some more information about it.
As you can see from here, so this national park is all about lakes, and they're located on different height, and between those lakes there are a bunch of waterfalls. So for example, there's a lake up there, then there's like waterfalls to another lake, then it goes down again here, and then to the big one there.
At the end there was a bus which took us back to our parking lot, and there we just went back to the city where we stayed. And that's the end of the video. Everyone, thanks for watching, and see you soon.